Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today 16th shloka of Shri Venkatesha Suprabhatam. Seva Parashiva Suresha Krushanudharma Rakshombunath Pavamana Dhanadinathaha बद्धाञ्जलि प्रविलसन्निजशीर्षदेशाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्. The gods who are the guardians of 8 directions, Shiva, Ishanya, northeast, Suresha, Indra, Purva, east, Krushanu, Agni, Agneya, south east, Dharma means Yama, Dakshina, south, Rakshasa, that is Niruti, for Nairutya, southwest, Ambunatha, that is Varuna, for Paschima, west, Pavamana, Vayu, northwest, that is Vayavya, Dhanadinatha is Kubera, for Uttara, that is north, who have shining heads with devotion are standing with joined palms in front of you to serve you. O God, who stays in Venkatachala, good morning to you with salutations. ಅಷ್ಟದಿಕ್ಪಾಲಕರಾದ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಶಿವ, ಇಂದ್ರ, ಅಗ್ನಿ, ಯಮ, ನಿರುತಿ, ವರುಣ, ವಾಯು, ಕುಬೇರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿನ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ತಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಾಗಿಸಿ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇವೆಗಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓ ವೆಂಕಟಾಚಲವಾಸಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶನೇ, ನಿನಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಬೆಳಗು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.